and gentlemen, this is my 2011 Hayabusa with a M4 GP made for Hayabusa. I am the first person with this exhaust. Stretch 14 over. And I'm going to give y'all what y'all want. Sound check.